Just out taking the dogs for a walk. Been at the barn here for the last few days, so I'll go in there and show you what I've been doing. Got this kind of leveled out and got a bunch of my junk out of here. And I still got a lot to do. I got this side done up, and then down here I'm gonna have my 20 by 30. It's kind of like a carport type thing. It'll have two open ends, and then I can put all my stuff in there out of the weather. This thing here I'm gonna move over a bit, but anyway, we'll take a look inside. So I changed up all the outside here. I brought more dirt up, sloped this away from the barn. There was a fence that went from this corner over to that other fence and stuff. That's all gone. And now, when I get my carport thing, whatever you want to call it, up here for my wagons and stuff, I can just go through this gate and grab it and bring it out this way. And I got my round pan here. And then this pan here, it is like I got a couple of minis I got to work with. So once I get a shelter in here and what have you, they're just gonna live here, and then they're close or handy. I can come and grab them, and away I go. And this here is just a small arena that I did up. I rotor-tilled all this, and it'll be good enough. This is basically, you can bring a saddle horse in here if you want, but it's mostly for if I'm starting something in a cart or a wagon, whatever. It's big enough I can work with it, but not so big that it's a pain in the butt to take care of. And then this here corner, I had to kind of change this up a bit because I needed this corner to be wider. And because if I harness up and if I'm pulling a trailer or wagon out of here, like even my manure spreader and stuff, I need to be able to make this corner and whatever get out of here. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's not real pretty. I mean, but it's definitely gonna work. So here's the thing, YouTube. My channel has been going from 324 to 326, up and down through there for the last, I don't know how long. Seems like forever. So I need to get some subscribers. Today's Tuesday, so I need to hit 400 by the weekend. So just subscribe, go back and look at a bunch of my other videos and stuff, and you can go back and watch my videos. They're not that bad. But I told my wife, I said, if I can hit 400 by the weekend, I'm gonna let her take me out for supper, any place I want to go. So hit that subscribe button and enjoy the videos, I guess. So anyway, you guys have yourselves a good one.